All right, so about a month and a half ago, I had solar panels installed. They're blocking view of my strip lights, which were along the roof edge. So today I'm going to be building a frame around the outside of the lights using the brackets that they have built in. So that'll lift them up and make everything look right again. Let's get started. All right, the plan is to take these 3/4 inch PVC pipes and just run around the outside of the edge. All right, so here I am on the roof looking at my solar panels, and they still haven't come and tightened the bolts up. Son of a bitch. Well, anyway, so the goal is to set them on these railings that are sticking out. That one might be too short, but I have some stuff to work with here. Got a spring nut. It's going to go just like this. And then I can put one of these on top of it and screw it down. So let's see if I got enough length to do that, and go ahead and do one of them. Then I'll super cut to the finished work of putting the framing up. So let's see here. I should be able to get this. Sorry about I'm filming by myself here, so makes the result a little shaky. I forgot I had this thing in here. All right, there. So that ain't going nowhere. All right, here's the final result. I need to put a little brace under this corner still, I think, to lift it up. But you have it. That should be up high enough so it can be seen all the way around. And I think it's going to be great. I'll get a little bit of night view of it here in just a second. There we have it. You can see it all the way around. See it all the way around. There you have it, guys. Like and subscribe to see more of our upgrades this year, because there's more coming. That's all for now.